Right folks, another van tour for you today. A lot of you will probably know who this is and seen this van before, but for those that haven't, I will put a link in the description and at the end of this video to go to Liam's channel and have a look for yourselves. He puts out some good content, so it's worth a look. Start off with, what van is it? For those uneducated among us.
It's a 2002 Mercedes Sprinter, medium wheelbase. If I'd had my time again, I'd have gone for a long one.
Oh, that's where this tour's going then.
Yeah. So the van was 2,700 quid. The conversions probably cost me 1,500 quid maybe. I mean, and that's with maintenance as well. Like I've had to buy some things. I've had to, you know, do stuff to engine and that. But I've got everything pretty much cheap.
That's cracking.
Yeah, essentially, yeah. And it's paid for itself over and over again. Obviously,
Yeah,
with
that's it.
with how I'm living in it.
Cab's pretty much standard. So let's jump in. Where do you want to start? Start with this box here.
This box here is my toilet. It is just a chemical toilet. I don't really use it. It's just for my daughter to use and guests really. But
oh, so if I'd have needed a crap during the interview?
If you needed a crap during the interview, I would have discouraged you from having a crap in my van. But if you really needed one, you could have done. I would have probably stepped out. Yeah, moving through to my kitchen. I've just got this two burner hob thing, a small sink which I don't really use that much, to be honest. It just stores things and it's just to stop things falling out when I'm driving really. I've got some overhead storage for pots and pans, and then mainly coffee and stuff. Usual IKEA.
Oh, is that what they are?
Yeah, that's IKEA. That's IKEA. This one's just made out of scrap. Obviously, as you know, storage is something that is needs to be thought about well in a van. But yeah. IKEA is that. IKEA is small storage.
So did you build all of the cupboards and everything?
I didn't build all the cupboards. No. When I bought the van, it did have some stuff built already in it, and it wasn't painted like it is now, and I've changed the inside of it. But the worktop, I then added the cooker and the sink to it. So. Yeah. You know, I've had to do a bit, and splashback and everything. What
for this? You got LPG, have you? Or?
No, it's just a normal gas thing,
replaceable bottle.
Yeah. Just you know, knife magnet holder thing. Storage. I've got a lot of crap that I don't need. I should really tidy this up, but
it's nice, like a mural.
Yeah, it's like it's just stuff that I've picked up on journeys. I wanted to sort of stick them up there. See, it's got very random things.
I do like the school collection. Yeah,
I've even got 2 bees as well. Super glued to the shelf. Spinning round to this bit, the seating area. You can seat 4 people here, although I don't know 4 people. So,
right.
But then this falls down to a bed also.
Okay.
So I've got a double bed and then essentially a single bed. The dog's kennel.
Dog kennel underneath.
Dog kennel underneath. Which takes up some valuable storage space, which is annoying. And she doesn't actually sleep in there; she sleeps on there. Diesel heater is under there.
Is that a Chinese one?
Chinese diesel heater, yeah. It ended up costing me about 35 quid in the end because I got a refund, £70 refund because they sent me the wrong one.
Nice.
So 35 quid diesel heater.
There you go. Probably why the pipe split.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. The controls is just here. Simple on and off one with a twisty dial rather than the remote control and digital display and all that.
The remote then? No.
That was what I ordered, and they sent me that one by mistake. But then I figured that 70 quid were worth that mistake.
Yeah.
And then recently I've just built this wall here to separate the bedroom off, which was something that I've thought about for a long time, for about a year actually, and didn't do it. But just recently I figured I'd do it. And I quite like it. It's quite cosy in there, to be honest.
Yeah, it separates it a bit, doesn't it? It's good. Decent. You got some more storage above the door.
All my books that I don't read.
Yeah.
Storage for clothes under there as well. Under the table.
Oh, sure. Yeah. More storage. On the sunroof as well.
Yeah, that's the sunroof and roof hatch, which takes you out onto the deck.
So there is in fact a roof deck. Didn't copy me at all, did you? No?
Not at all.
No. So yeah, and that deck you can get to through the hatch or up the ladders.
The garage area is a mess, but I think most people's garage areas are a mess, aren't they? I have tidied it recently. But essentially, yeah, there's a better view of the bedroom from this side. It's quite cosy, isn't it? Yeah. And like homely as well. I think that's a key thing.
Yeah.
People think that when you live in a van, it has to just be like a van inside, and it's not the case, is it?
No.
But anyway, in the back here, I've got just spare clothes. I've got far too much stuff. I've got loads of tools and stuff, and obviously my daughter's toys. Far too much stuff. I need to clean it out, really.
Did you put this the step on?
No, the step was already on it.
That's a beast.
Isn't it? It's my reverse parking sensor.
Ah, okay. Get a bike on that.
Yeah, could do, yeah.
I've
thought about maybe making it a bigger platform as well, so it could be a seat or something. Yeah, but it's just one of them things that you have lots of plans. Whether you execute those plans or not.
This is very true. You got jerry can, that's for your diesel heater.
Yeah, so that's full of red diesel.
All the auxiliary lighting as well. You got cameras there as well now?
Yeah, I've got cameras as well. It's probably overkill on the lighting, but
it's never overkill. I want more on mine, if anything.
I've just ordered a new wiring loom for it, actually. Yeah, so solar was done on a real shoestring, actually. I think the most expensive thing was the charge controller, and I did actually go overkill on that, and I spent about 80 quid on it, which is, you don't need one that much really, but yeah. The idea was that I could have a lot more solar panels onto it as well, but the solar panel itself is just a recycled house solar panel, costs about 100 quid. Yeah. So with wiring, the Leisure batteries were about £50 a piece from Euro parts, so even with batteries, it's cost me around 300 quid.
Yeah, so they just normal car batteries, are they?
Yeah, they're lead acid.
And then how many wattage was
270
the panel? 270
at the moment. I have got plans to buy another solar panel, but I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet, because the roof deck's fun and that, and it's probably going to be really good in summer, but if I put another solar panel on there, it's going to be taken up. So I'm not 100% sure yet. If I put another solar panel, and I might take the roof deck off and have the solar panels just on the roof rack. These things, you change your mind so many times, don't you?
Tell you what you could do, if you put it towards the front and then put draw runners underneath it so it slides off the deck.
Yeah,
because
I even thought about having that panel raised up and having one that slid out from underneath it.
Oh yeah, there you go, see, loads of options. So there you go, that is Mr. Terrible's van, house, everything. Awesome, nice one, man.